Now I want you to make a few family words with the at.
Okay.
Okay, start.
Cat,
Next one.
sat, hat, fat, mat.
Can we make more?
Yes.
Okay, so move these. Move these this side. Good. Make with the remaining.
Rat, chat,
Good.
bat, bat.
Good. Okay, now the and family.
That is finished.
You can make the words now.
Okay. Bat,
What is it?
ban.
Good.
That is wrong.
Okay, now it's correct.
Okay.
Ban.
Ban, fan, dan,
Good.
run, can.
Make a few more with the remaining ones.
Yes. We give it here.
Yes, the same way. Good.
Man, van.
Good. Okay, the am family now.
Yes.
Make.
Jam,
Jam.
cam, yam, ham,
One more.
and dam.
Now the app family.
Yes.
Make the words.
Cap,
What is it?
cap,
Okay.
tap. Mm,
Keep it straight. What's the word you made now?
map,
Okay.
lap,
Okay.
sa,
Say louder.
zap.
Now I want you to arrange the months of the year.
Okay. January, February. I'll make it straight. April,
After February,
after February, March, then March,
after March.
April,
Good.
April, then after May, June,
Continue.
July, August, September,
September.
after September, October, November, and December.
Last, I want you to tell me the days of the week.
Okay. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
All done.